Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on a mission. I'm gonna clean this car, clean these wheels, and put them back on later on when we get back inside. So let's get to it. I'll just soak these for a bit. Try and do this as quickly as I can. Next, get some soap in the mix. There's my rag. There she is. One of these brushes. These birds going crazy outside. Alright people, so I just finished washing this car. It's looking clean. But there's something that's still bugging me, right? It has a couple of scratches in the paint. That's one little one there. But on this side here, it's looking quite shabby. So I think I should fix this. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna have to mask it off down here and get some white spray paint. Sort out that little scratch. And this scratch is from the exhaust. That's what that's from. Alright, let's try it thing. outside. Try and get rid of these little scratches that we got here. That's some cheap paint. Don't think it really matters, but we're gonna find out in a second. Don't dry. So, can y'all see? I still see it on this side as well. What we're gonna do? I think I might have to mask it off. So we're doing it on the inside.
No, come back and drive it this way.
That's where the scratch was.
No, come back this way properly.
So that side looks better. This side needs a touch up. I think I want to mask it. I'm going to mask it off from outside here. And then I'm going to spray that. I do want to spray it from this side. I don't know. Alright, let's try it again a bit. We got the outside masked off here. So let's try it. Oops, let's try and touch it up quickly. Oh boy. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, man. Looking alright. Okay. I think that would do. Right, folks, I'm back inside. I got the body in the bag. It's not a body bag. It's a helmet bag. Yeah. So the chassis needs some cleaning. If you can see, there's a whole lot of dirt on there. Yeah. See, and the bar, this crossbar in the front, that's bent. That's not straight. So I need to pull that off and straighten it up. That piece down there. What else do I need to do? I've already fixed the meshing on the gears. Yeah. Oh yeah, suspension. Suspension needs oil. Oh my word. I'm sure these are supposed to be oil filled. Yeah. It sounds like there's a tiny bit of oil in there, but I think they need topping up. I'll do that at some point. So yeah, there's plenty of work to do. I need to put a sponge in this filter here. Piece of foam. Yeah. That needs to be replaced. Alright, stick around, let's do some work.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Right, I'm finally satisfied with the clean. Looking shiny. Ready to work together now. Alright. Tires are directional tires. lifted the suspension on the back here. No, I don't like the gap. That's way too high. Should be out somewhere there. Still bring it down some more. I don't want it too low.